After the betrayal and death of Judas Iscariot, there was a silence among the disciples. One of the 12 was gone. The group was no longer complete, but what happened next is one of the most overlooked moments in the Bible. A man was chosen, not by fame, not by power, but by prayer and casting lots. His name was Matthias. The story begins with the tragic fall of Judas Iscariot. Once one of the 12 apostles, Judas betrayed Jesus Christ for 30 pieces of silver. Overcome with regret, he later died, leaving a void among the disciples. After the resurrection and ascension of Jesus, the remaining apostles gathered in Jerusalem. Led by Peter the apostle, they recognized something important. The number of 12 apostles had symbolic meaning, representing the 12 tribes of Israel. The group needed to be restored. Not just anyone could take Judas' place. The apostles set clear requirements. The new apostle had to have followed Jesus from the beginning, from his baptism to his resurrection. This person needed to be a true witness to everything that had happened. From among the followers, two men were chosen, Joseph, called Barsabbas, and Matthias. Both had been faithful followers, though neither was widely known. The apostles did not decide by debate or vote. Instead, they prayed. They asked God to reveal his choice. Then they cast lots, an ancient method of decision-making believed to reflect divine will. The lot fell to Matthias. In that moment, he was numbered with the 11 apostles. A man who had followed quietly now stepped into one of the most important roles in early Christianity. After this moment, Matthias largely disappears from the biblical record. Unlike other apostles, his actions are not described in detail, yet his role remains significant. He was one of the 12. Early Christian traditions suggest that Matthias traveled and preached in distant lands. Some accounts place him in Ethiopia, others in regions near the Black Sea. Though details vary, his mission was clear: to spread the message of Christ. Like many apostles, Matthias is believed to have been martyred. Accounts differ, but most traditions agree that he died for his faith. The man chosen in prayer gave his life in devotion. Matthias may be one of the least remembered apostles, but his story carries a powerful message. He was not famous. He was not outspoken, yet he was chosen. His story reminds us that faithfulness matters, even when unseen. In the silence after betrayal, one man stepped forward, not seeking recognition, but chosen to complete the 12. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to hear a particular story, leave a comment below.